Hello, my name is Lucien Aubry-Moget. I'm 18 years old. I'm in my first years of IUT Industrial Engineering and Maintenance. In September, I'm gonna start my second years. I've back SSE, so Scientist Engineering Science. It gave me a lot of skills for for this study, industry. I've learned in my section all the things about industry, mechanical, electricity, and some works give me the skills, the team spirit. Um, After this school, I hope to continue. I'm gonna continue. I hesitate between an engineering school and a license. It's 3 years for the engineering school and one for the license. Um, my professional experience is 1 month in the BTP. So I've worked on the streets, I've built some sidewalls, some road. Um, I work, it was really hard because it wasn't the thing that I want to do. I've worked in the excuse me, during 2 months. Yes, during 2 months, and it was harder in the field every day under the sun. It gave me the skills to a hard worker. It was very difficult, but I continue. My study teach me how to work smartly, how how to communicate with other people, how to improve my own skills, and how to discover new things. For the future, I hope to work in a factory industry. I don't know exactly. Uh, it's not very easy to choose what to do. And this school gave me a lot of things to do next year.